As a result of technological improvements and changing attitudes about remote employment, the world of work is fast changing. Working in virtual teams and collaborating remotely while utilizing digital tools and technologies will be the norm in the workplace of the future. Let's look at how remote cooperation is evolving, the advantages and drawbacks of virtual teams, and what this means for the future of work in the digital age. If this is your first visit, please subscribe to our channel. Workforce distribution and remote collaboration. Remote collaboration is the process of people working together on activities and projects while being in different places. The ability to work remotely has improved since the introduction of digital communication tools, cloud-based platforms, and high-speed internet. Organizations are using distributed workforces more and more, enabling workers to work from any location and collaborate with coworkers regardless of distance. This change is being brought about by things like cost savings, hiring new talent, and enhancing employee work-life balance. Virtual teams have benefits. Virtual teams have several benefits for both organizations and people. First and foremost, they enable companies to access a global talent pool, overcoming geographical constraints and gaining access to a variety of skills and expertise. Employees who participate in virtual teams can choose their preferred work environment and schedule, promoting flexibility and work-life balance. Virtual teams also eliminate the need for an actual workplace and for commuting, which saves money and has positive effects on the environment. Virtual teams also allow for ongoing project progress because team members in various time zones can work together and communicate. Tools for remote collaboration using technology. Remote collaboration has been tremendously enhanced by the ubiquity of digital tools. No matter where team members are physically located, face-to-face contact and real-time collaboration are made possible by video conferencing services like Zoom or Microsoft Teams. Asana and Trello are examples of project management applications that offer a centralized platform for task administration, tracking progress, and easy communication. The ability to view and work on files simultaneously among team members is made possible by cloud-based document sharing and collaboration technologies like Google Drive or Microsoft OneDrive, which promote efficiency and teamwork. Surmounting obstacles in virtual teams. Additionally, virtual teams encounter particular difficulties that call for careful thought. Since nonverbal signs and impromptu interactions may be scarce in remote situations, communication and collaboration can be more difficult. Effective remote collaboration requires defining goals, using appropriate collaboration technologies, and establishing clear communication channels. Building trust among team members is essential since effective collaboration and cooperation in virtual teams are strongly dependent on trust. Virtual teams must succeed by developing a culture that promotes diversity, openness, and communication. Team dynamics and leadership in online environments. In virtual teams, leadership and team dynamics are key. Strong communication abilities, the capability to build a sense of belonging, and the ability to promote collaboration and teamwork are necessary for effective leadership in virtual contexts. Clear objectives must be set, feedback must be given frequently, and opportunities must be provided for team members to interact and form bonds. To ensure team cohesion and productivity in virtual teams, team members should be proactive in communicating, working together to solve problems, and retaining accountability. Future consequences and possibilities. The use of virtual teams and remote communication will probably become more prevalent in the workplace in the future. Technology advancements like virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, which offer immersive and interactive experiences, have the potential to improve virtual collaboration. By simulating physical presence, these technologies enable more natural communication and strengthen relationships between team members. In addition, the development of artificial intelligence, AI, and automation may result in the addition of intelligent algorithms to virtual teams, aiding in decision-making, streamlining procedures, and enhancing overall efficiency. Integration of work and life and well-being. Improved work-life integration and employee well-being are also possibilities with remote cooperation and virtual teams. People can better combine their job and personal commitments when they have the freedom to work from home or choose their preferred work environments. Working remotely can improve work-life balance and general well-being by cutting down on commute time and related stress. Organizations must, nevertheless, offer assistance and tools to advance employee well-being, including setting distinct lines between work and home life, encouraging social interaction, and addressing risks of isolation or burnout. Adaptability and reskilling. People need to embrace continual learning and acquire abilities that are compatible with remote collaboration and virtual teaming as the nature of work evolves. In a digital workplace, cooperation, effective communication, computer literacy, and other skills become more crucial. Employers and educational institutions should support projects to reskill and upskill workers so they have the skills they need to succeed in virtual teams and adapt to the changing needs of the workplace in the future. Diversity and cultural considerations. Members of virtual teams frequently come from various cultural backgrounds, which can give projects fresh perspectives and insights. However, cultural differences can also be problematic when it comes to decision-making, working conventions, and communication approaches. The acceptance of cultural diversity and the promotion of inclusivity are crucial for virtual teams. Stronger teamwork and greater results can result from cultural awareness, effective cross-cultural communication, and the promotion of an inclusive team culture. Working together across time zones. Virtual teams frequently operate in separate time zones, which makes it difficult to plan meetings, ensure prompt communication, and coordinate work. To avoid these difficulties, virtual teams must create precise rules for availability, working hours, and reaction times. In spite of time zone disparities, team members can still work together effectively with the help of digital collaboration tools like shared calendars and time zone converters, creating social bonds and cohesive teams. Members of virtual teams might not have the natural social connections that take place in conventional office settings. Maintaining team spirit and camaraderie requires creating social relationships and encouraging team cohesion. The team can bond and form relationships outside of work responsibilities with the aid of virtual team-building exercises like online games, virtual coffee breaks, or video conferences. Team-building activities and face-to-face interaction might happen at regular team meetings or retreats, upholding accountability and productivity. Although remote collaboration allows for flexibility, it also necessitates self-control and accountability. Members in virtual teams need to be self-driven, proactive, and proficient time managers. Clear objectives, deliverables, and deadlines combined with frequent check-ins and progress reports help virtual teams stay productive and accountable. To measure progress, keep an eye on activities and make sure everyone is on the same page about project milestones. Project management tools and shared dashboards can be used. Data protection and cybersecurity. Cybersecurity and data protection become crucial as virtual teams increasingly rely on digital tools and platforms. To fight against potential cyber threats, maintain secure data transmission, and safeguard sensitive information, organizations must establish strong security measures. To improve awareness and advance best practices in data protection, this includes employing secure communication channels, putting encryption mechanisms into effect, and giving team members cybersecurity training. Working together in hybrid workplaces. New obstacles and opportunities for collaboration occur as organizations move toward hybrid models, where some employees work remotely and others do so from physical offices. In order to ensure fair participation and effective communication, hybrid teams must discover strategies to close the gap between remote and on-site personnel. Successful collaboration in hybrid work contexts depends on utilizing collaborative technology solutions, granting equal access to information, and fostering inclusive practices. Learning and continuous improvement. A culture of constant learning and growth is necessary for remote cooperation in virtual teams. Asking for input from team members and stakeholders on a regular basis can help pinpoint problem areas and find solutions. In a quickly evolving digital environment, adopting a growth mindset, promoting information exchange, and offering chances for professional development and upskilling all help virtual teams remain successful and adaptable. Team performance and success evaluation. It might be difficult to measure team success and effectiveness in virtual teams. The volatility and complexity of remote cooperation may not be adequately captured by traditional performance measurements. It's critical to define precise performance indicators that support virtual teams' goals and objectives. Metrics like project completion rates, customer happiness, teamwork efficiency, and individual contributions might be a part of this. Regular evaluation and feedback sessions give teams the chance to evaluate their performance, pinpoint problem areas, and acknowledge their accomplishments. The future of work in a digital age is changing as a result of remote cooperation in virtual teams. Digital tools and technology enable smooth cross-border collaboration, which has many benefits for both individuals and businesses. Virtual teams can reach high levels of productivity, innovation, and employee happiness with excellent communication, trust building, and the appropriate technological infrastructure. Embracing remote collaboration in virtual teams will be essential for success in the developing digital landscape as firms adjust to the shifting dynamics of work. Comment below your opinions and like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.